I thought the pool was clean, and I mean really clean. The pool guy came yesterday and the water is crystal clear with nothing floating around. Plus, it has a cover on 90% of the time, so it stays really clean. It looked totally swim ready. So why did I freak out a little when I opened the Aiper Swim Surfer's collection tray? Stick around, I'll show you exactly what I found. When Aiper sent me their pool skimmer to check out, I wondered if I'd even use it. Our pool has a cover, and it's not by any big trees or anything, so the surface stays pretty nice usually. Setting up the Aiper Swim Surfer was very simple. It's cordless, solar-powered, and lightweight, so I just charged it, powered it on, and set it in the pool. It does have an app, but it's honestly not necessary or all that helpful. The skimmer knows what to do the second it hits the water, and it can do it without any help from the app. It moves smoothly across the pool, and you can see it changing direction on its own when it gets close to the edge. It ends up covering most of the surface of this fairly big pool in about an hour. And these little stoppers keep it off the shallow stairs, so it won't get stuck. We weren't patient enough to wait for it to finish, so we just hopped in the pool while it did its thing. Because again, I thought the pool was clean. But here's what blew me away. When I popped open the collection tray, it was full of tiny bits of plant matter, little bugs I hadn't even noticed, and a massive moth. Nightmare fuel for my little kids. If they had seen that thing floating next to them, pool day would have been over. So yeah, it looked clean, and it was mostly clean. But the Aiper Swim Surfer proved just how much invisible junk was lurking on the surface. For a no-effort, high-payoff pool upgrade, this one's totally worth it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I post new, honest reviews every week.